Imagine a bed that stays fresh for weeks and actually cleans itself while you sleep. These GroundBam silver-infused sheets claim to use NASA-inspired tech to change the way we think about laundry day. Most of us dread the weekly chore of stripping the bed, but this set uses silver ion technology embedded directly into the fabric to eliminate up to 99.9% of specific impurities. This means they stay fresh 3 times longer than your standard cotton sheets, which is a total game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. But it is not just about the cleanliness. The material is a genuine 100% organic viscose derived from bamboo, giving it that incredibly silky, hotel-quality drape that feels amazing against the skin. It is surprisingly gentle, which helps reduce friction and hair frizz, making it a solid choice for those with sensitive skin or allergies. One of the standout features is how it handles heat. If you are a hot sleeper who struggles with night sweats, the moisture-wicking properties here are impressive. The fabric naturally dissipates heat and absorbs sweat to keep the sleep environment dry and cool all night long. It even comes with a subtle, soothing lavender fragrance to help you drift off faster. The king-size set includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases, all certified to the OEK-OTX Standard 100, so you know there are no hidden nasties in the fabric. It is rare to find bedding that balances high-tech hygiene with genuine luxury, but these sheets manage to feel softer after every wash without pilling or losing that polished look. If you want a cleaner, cooler, and more luxurious night of rest without the constant maintenance, this set is easily one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your bedroom.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.